Hi everyone! Welcome again to Math Den. Ang topic naman natin ngayon is how to solve for the total number of periods. Yun yung small n sa ating formula. Still, it is under the topic of compound interest that is more than once a year. So itong ating formula for small n. So we have n is equals to the logarithm of f over p all over the logarithm of 1 plus j. So this is derived from our general formula na included ang j at saka ang n. So pag dinerive natin siya using the logarithm, ito yung derived formula. So this is the application of our topic for exponential and logarithm. Since we are looking for the exponent is also logarithm. That is why we can solve it using logarithm. So example number 1, we have how long will it take 3,000 pesos to be accumulated to 3,500 in a bank savings account at 0.25% compounded monthly. So analyze natin yung problem. Ang tanong is how long? So we are looking for the time. 3,000 pesos is the principal money or the present value. Then 3,500 is the future value. Then 0.25% is our rate of interest. Then monthly is our compounding period. So i-rewrite natin ang given. We have P is equals to 3,000. We have F 3,500. We have the R which is 0.25%. Convert natin into decimal, that is 0.0025. And then we have the compounding period of 12 because it is monthly. Now, aside from this given, kailangan pa natin ng value ng j. Then, pwede natin siyang makompute. Ang j ay r over m. So, that is 0.0025 over 12. Okay? And then, pwede na nating ma-solve ang n muna. So, hindi tayo directly makakapag-solve agad ng t kasi wala namang t dito sa ating formula. Manggagaling pa siya pag na-solve na natin yung total number of period. So, solution A, solve for n. So, we have n is equals to the logarithm of f divided by p all over the logarithm of quantity 1 plus j. Substitute natin, we have the logarithm of 3,500 divided by 3,000 all over the logarithm of 1 plus 0.0025 divided by 12. So if we're going to input this on the calculator, the value of our n is 740. But this is not the final answer. This is not the final answer because we are looking for the time or the year. the time or the term in year. So alam natin na ang m times t is equals to n. So given tayo ng m, na-solve na natin ang n. Ang formula for t is n over m. So solution B, solve for t. So substitute natin, n is equals to 740, m is 12. Therefore, the answer for t is 61.67. So rounded off na to 2 decimal place. Therefore, ito ay naka-years na. Automatic, it is also already in years. So therefore, ang ating conclusion is it will take 61.67 years for 3,000 to be accumulated to 3,500 pesos. So this is example number 1 of using our formula for n and to compute for the time involved. So let's have another example for this topic, computation of total number of periods and the time in years. Example number 2, how long will it take 1,000 pesos to earn 300 pesos if the interest is 12% compounded semi-annually? Analyze natin yung problem. How long is the time? 1,000 pesos is the principal money or the present value. 300 is the compound interest. 12% is our rate, annual rate. Then semi-annually is our compounding period. So, i-write ulit natin ang given kasi meron tayong i-analyze sa given. So, present value is 1,000. Then, ang future value natin dapat, meron tayo. So, paano natin siya makakompute? Alam natin, ang future value ay principal money plus IC rather, kasi nasa topic tayo ng compound interest. So, magiging future value natin is 1,000 plus the interest of 300. So, meron na tayong future value na 1,300. And then, rate of interest is 12%. So, that is 0.12. And then, compounding period, we have 2 because of semi-annually. Yan. And then, idadagdag natin yung computation ng J. So, because J is equals to R over M. So, that is J is equals to 0.12 divided by 2. So, pwede pa natin siya i-simplify as 0.06. So, 0.12 divided by 2 is 0.06. Now, let's proceed to two computation again, two solution, kasi hindi natin agad o directly masosolve ang t. Kailangan isolve muna natin yung total number of period. Okay, so solution A, n is unknown. So we have the formula logarithm of f over p all over the logarithm of quantity 1 plus g. Substitute natin, we have the logarithm of 1,300 divided by 1,000 all over the logarithm of 1 plus 0.06. Now, kung i-input natin to sa calculator, hindi ito saktong whole number, ito ay approximately equivalent to 4.503. So, i-round off natin siya into whole number. So, 4.5. So, 5 is more than, ay, ang kadikit ng 4 is 5. So, ang 4 ay magiging 5. So, ang whole number nito ay 5. So, ito na yung gagamitin nating n, whole number na 5. Then, so hindi pa ito ang final answer kasi ang hinahanap natin ay for the solution B, time in years. So, alam na natin na ang formula for time is n over m. Substitute natin. So, 5 divided by 2, the answer for time is 2.5 years. So, by conclusion, it will take 2.5 years for 1,000 pesos to earn 300 pesos. Okay, so this is how we solve the total number of periods and the time in years for a certain problem under pa rin ang topic na compound interest of more than once a year.